several reasons why I love a sugar scrub. I don't know about you guys, but with all these recommendations about how to stay safe during, this pandemic, I'm using alcohol-based sanitizers, I'm washing my hands constantly, and my skin gets irritated. So I need to bring some nourishment back into my hands, and the coconut oil in this recipe, I feel like really helps with that. My nail beds grow a lot of skin too, along the cuticle over here, and I feel like the sugar scrub helps with the exfoliation and helps to soften the area to take the skin bits away. So there's that. I think it's something just fun to do if you want to soften up your hands. It's therapeutic, especially if you love aroma the way that I do. And to be fair, it's hella cheap. So, if you have some of these ingredients laying around your house, which for the most part you should, again, this is creativity. You can do whatever you want.